Good morning, dear student. This is the Grand One class. Today we are going to learn revision of 6 lesson, and our lesson name is stative verbs and dynamic verbs. Okay, first revision of that topic. Stative verbs. What is meant by the stative verbs? Stative verbs means a verb that show the state of mind. Okay, stative verbs means a verb that show means display. Remember this, display. दाखवणे, दर्शवणे. Show, indicate, remember this. A verb that show the state of mind. मनाची स्थिती दाखवतो. Okay. Feelings, position, situation. Situation means स्थिती. Okay. That show the situation. Situation. Okay. Situation or condition of the subject. Stative verbs is a verb, okay, that shows the situation or condition of the subject in relation to the object. आणि ही रिलेशन कशामध्ये दाखवतं? सब्जेक्ट आणि ऑब्जेक्टच्या सिच्युएशन, रिलेशनची सिच्युएशन दाखवतं. दॅट इज कॉल्ड स्टेटिव्ह वर्ब्स. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल, संगीता हॅज अ डान्सिंग डॉल. इन दिस एक्झाम्पल it shows that Sangeeta has. Remember this. According to subject, we use here has. Only showing that it have. तिच्याजवळ असण्याची फक्त काय दाखवलेली स्थिती. ओके, संगीता हॅज अ डान्सिंग डॉल. तिच्याकडे काय आहे? डान्सिंग डॉल, नाचणारी बाहुली आहे. म्हणजे या दोघांचं असण्याची फक्त स्थिती दाखवलेली, सिच्युएशन दाखवली. सो दॅट each sentence or these sentence belong to stative verbs. Okay, have means asne, that indicate only the situation. Next, dynamic verb. What is meant by the dynamic verb? A verb that show means indicate. Okay, show the action, development, process, perception of some object by the subject. It is show action. Remember this. क्रिया दाखवलेली असते. डायनामिक वर्ब म्हणजे काय? क्रियादर्शक असलेला शब्द किंवा क्रियादर्शक क्रियापद. ठीक आहे. ऍक्शन इंडिकेटर केलेली असते. डेव्हलपमेंट, प्रगती झालेली असते त्यामध्ये. दॅट शोज द प्रोसेस, एक प्रोसेस असते त्यामध्ये, एक प्रोसिजर असते. परसेप्शन ऑफ सम ऑब्जेक्ट. डायनामिक वर्ब indicate the action basically. Remember this, or development. That verb is called dynamic verb. Okay, look here. We can use here one example also. Example, he writes a letter. Write, it indicates the action and it is dynamic verb. Write. Okay, it is an action which display action, so that it is a dynamic sentence or dynamic verb. He writes a letter. Okay, now look here. In this lesson there is one question. Pick out the verbs from the following sentences and state whether they are stative or dynamic. Pick out the verbs starting, and then we want to state whether they are stative or dynamic. सुरुवातीला आपल्याला प्रश्न दिला असेल की वाक्यामधून, खाली दिलेल्या सेंटेन्स मधून verbs, क्रियापद बाजूला काढायचं आणि नंतर आपल्याला काय करायचं ते सांगायचं. सांगायचं काय ते स्टेटिव्ह आहे का डायनामिक आहे. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल, लुक हियर डियर स्टुडंट. These factories shut down after the floods. Okay, in this example, shut down, that shows the action and so that it is a dynamic verb. You can write here dynamic verb. Shut down. Shut means बंद होणे. ठीक है, it is dynamic verb. Dynamic verb. Okay, next example, he is a doctor. In this example, look here, is a verb that shows only, display only. Actually it doesn't show the action. हे आपल्याला क्रिया दाखवते का कोणती? फक्त असण्याची. तो डॉक्टर आहे, तो डॉक्टर असण्याचं फक्त स्थिती सांगतो. It shows only situation. It only shows the सिच्युएशन और कंडिशन, फक्त ते कंडिशन किंवा स्थिती दर्शवतो, म्हणून हे जे वाक्य आहे this sentence belong to stative verb, so that is stative verb. Remember this, okay? Is stative verb. Is his stative verb I. Okay? You can write here is and then stative verbs. Now the second example or second question. Rewrite the following sentences changing stative verbs into dynamic verb. For example, here is one sentence. He is a doctor. We want to. He is a doctor. We want to convert this sentence into dynamic verb, or we can change here. Okay. Also object. He is playing Kho-Kho. Okay, it is next example. It is stative verbs. Stative verbs. Remember this, stative, and it is dynamic, which shows the action. बघा या वाक्यामध्ये काय प्लेइंग खेळण्याची ऍक्शन दर्शवलेली आहे, म्हणून हे कुठलं आहे डायनामिक वर्ब आहे. ओके, यू कॅन यूज हिअर द मेन वर्ब अँड देन इट मे बी अ डायनामिक वर्ब. याच्यामध्ये जर आपण एखादं हे केलं क्रियापद वापरलं ऍक्शन दर्शक डायनामिक, तर हे वाक्य होऊ शकतं. ओके, आय होप यू अंडरस्टूड ऑल थिंग्स related with this topic. What is meant by the stative verbs, what is meant by the dynamic verbs, and related with two questions. The remaining part or remaining revision of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.